Hey there, fabulous friends and family. Today is a very special day because we're celebrating someone truly amazing. Francis Antonio Loyax Fortich. So let's gather around, share some love, and make this birthday the best one yet. Happy birthday, Loyax.
50th birthday, Brad Luyax from Bull Riders family. Enjoy your day and wish you a good health and more birthday to come, more inom to come. Happy 50th birthday. Enjoy sa mga palaigit nga brady.
Yes, happy 50th birthday. God bless you.
A truly hardworking and inspiring individual.
Happy birthday, Brady Luyax. God bless.
Loyax is not only a dedicated and hardworking individual, but also a wonderful family person who values every moment with loved ones. His love and commitment to his family makes him truly special.
Hi, Loyax, the golden boy. Happy 50th birthday to you, and may the good Lord bless you. And happy birthday lang.
Adi, happy birthday. Wish you good health. Balag sige tag-inom. God bless.
Hi, Nong. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. Anyway, wish you good health. Undang na sigarilyo, Nong. Bitaw. Wish you good health. Ayo-ayo diha. O more birthdays to come.
Hi, Loy. Manak. Kaya siguro kang anong nag-yellow nila. Golden man yun. Buwang nagid ka. Anyway, may this baby more blessings, good health, more years. Be safe in your work. Be careful and take care of my apos. And me, of course, be good always.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Love you.
Love you.
Love you.
Poppers! Happy birthday. 50th golden year na nimo. Miss you so much, Cars. Enjoy and hope to see you soonest. Kauli sa atin ni Kajut. Happy birthday. This is for you. And this is for you. Cheers! Mwah!
Loy, gusto naman dia. Happy 50th birthday, bay. Tingnan na kita, bay. Anyway, enjoy sa mong birthday. Fishing niya tapon. Abot na tapon. Sige, bay. Enjoy. Enjoy.
Nong, happy birthday. Kamusta man ka diha? Mingan ako sa imo o sa inyo diha ka man mimi o mga bata. I miss you so much, you guys, and happy birthday. Bugnaw diha karon kasi ang kakakruts na na. Ito, nong happy birthday. Hopefully makabiyahe ra ko diha bisita sa inyo. Happy birthday. God bless you. Miss you, love you.
These photos capture the essence of Loyax's life, filled with joy, laughter, and meaningful connections. Each moment shared with friends and family showcases the warmth and love that surrounds Loyax every day.
A very special day for you, Loyax. Pasalamaton ko na ka-appeal day ko sa imo ang celebration bisan og message lang ni from the North Island, Central Hawke's Bay. Kung makadumdum kay ko si mga apelido nga Fortits. Synonymous na sa bukid nun. And it brings about so many happy memories from childhood, college days, high school days, practicum years, kay kauban mi si mo sister na practicum. Exposure ako sa livestock department is in Bukidnon. Daghan kay ko mga happy memories sa mga Fortits. And then magkatuon kong drive sa una kay maghaul mig baka from your farm to the feedlot. Musingit kong drive sa truck de karga. And then basta Fortits, dako kay bukat kay na og meaning sa akong kinabuhi. This is your day. Enjoy it to the fullest. And then be sure to enjoy it with your family. And don't forget to enjoy it with God. Pray always that we will be healthy all the time. Kaya niya sa country nga dili ato Loy, dungan-dungan gusto abot diri sa New Zealand. Yan ako musulti sa akong edad kay kasi mabisto ta. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Part.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Loyas. Wish ma. Loy, wish na ko kaunsa bagan sa maayong panglawas kada adlaw maka nangutay ko sa inyong pagtrabaho adlaw-adlaw. Para sa inyong pamilya. Minaw ko ang inyong daghan grasya sa inyong pamilya. Magtuyo mo na malinawon, bilawanon, have a blissful happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya Loyas. God bless and enjoy your special day. Ayun.
Happy birthday, Loy!
Sumayo mo
God
wish.
bless!
Happy birthday. Malagayahan. Happy birthday.
And here's Loyax enjoying one of his favorite pastimes, fishing. Whether it's the peaceful moments by the water or the excitement of a great catch, Loyax always finds joy in the simple pleasures.
Karong adlawas nagsaulog kami sa inyong ika-50th birthday. Manginawat tuloy nga unta. Tagan ka o maayong panglawas aron pakasubakod ka sa adlaw-adlaw nimong mga ginikason. Manginawat tuloy nga unta ang kanunay unsa ang Ginoo mag-uban kanimo. Mag-guide ug unsa ang angay water para sa kabulahanan sa imong pamilya. Minaot ko nga unta magmalipayon o magmalinawon ang inyong panguyo diha. Happy 50th birthday o amping mo kanunay.
Happy birthday, Lord!
Happy birthday! Tito Kaloy! Happy 50th birthday!
Happy birthday, Loyax!
Happy birthday, Loyax! Today, we celebrate not just another year of your life, but all the amazing moments, accomplishments, and the wonderful person you are.
Birthday, guys! Welcome to the club! So, membro na kayo ha. So, ako na naman wait sa inyo karon. You will have all the blessings in the world. Good health. And of course, lastly, magkita ng pagkapuon kung nag-working kayo sa Pilipinas, no? Ulit, para magkita ka, maging milestone.
Happy birthday, Kuya Loya!
Your dedication, kindness, and infectious joy makes every day brighter for everyone around you. May this year bring you even more happiness and unforgettable memories.
Happy birthday, Tito Loyax!
Happy birthday, Kuya Loyax. God bless. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday!
Bye-bye from Camarines family.
Here's to a fantastic day and an incredible year ahead. Cheers to you, Loyax.